Welcome to SkVm Sudoku. Today we can solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku puzzle on December 26, 2021. In this grid already we have 2 and 9. Can't repeat again in this grid. It will come, both the numbers will come here only, 2 and 9. Then fifth row only 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 7. Already 6 we have already. Then 6 can't come in the cell, it will come here, 7 will come here. 4, 8 and 4 can't come in the cell. It is possible to come in the cells 4 and 8. Already we have 4 below, then can't come in the cell again. It will come here, 8 will come here. Then in this grid only one number is remaining, that number is 3. We completed number 6th grade. 2 and 3 not come in these cells, it will come here only, 2 and 3. If we come to here both the cells, then 2 is not possible in this cell, it will come here 2, then 9 will be here. Then in this grid only 2 numbers remaining, 4 and 7. We don't know 4 and 7 will come both the cells, we don't know, we will confirm later. Then 7th row only one number is remaining, that number is 9. We can place here. Number 1 can't come in this cell, it will come here only. Then 7 can't come here only. Then remaining in this grid number only 5 will come here only. Then we completed as 5th grid also, 7, 5, 1. Then number 1 and 5, both the numbers not come in this cell. Also same in this grid, 1 and 5 will be there, it can't come in both the cells. It will come in these 2 cells only, 1 and 5. We already 5 here, then can't come here, it will come 5 here, 1 will be here. Then 7, 8, this both the number not come in these cells. In this cell it is possible to come 7, 8 will be here only, then 7, 8. Then 9th row only one number is remaining, that number will be 9. We have 9, the 9 will can't come in these cells. Also same thing, we have 9, only both cells not come, it will come here only. Then 5th column only one number is left, that number 8. Then 5th column we completed one successfully completed. 8th already we have, 8 will won't come here, it will come here. Then remaining 7 will come here only. Also we completed the 9th row. 8th grid only 2 numbers remaining, 4 and 6. Already we have 4 here, then can't come in the cell. 4 will come here, 6 will come here. Then G column only 2 numbers remaining, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 8. 6 already here, it can't come again here, it will come here only. Then 2nd grid only one number remaining, that number will be 5 only. Then we completed 6th E column also, number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then 5 can't come is in the 3 cells, I also 5 will be there, can't come in this cell, it will come only here. Then 6 can't come in these cells. Here also same 6 we have. Then here also 1 6 and here also 6. Then 6 will come here. Then 1 can't come in this cell. In this cell is here also 1 can't come in this cell, will come here only. Four can't come in these 3 cells, it will come here. 6, both the 6 not come in these cells. Here also we have 6, then 6 will come here. Then 8 also can't come in these cells. Also we have 8, then 8 will come here. In this column only 2 number remaining, 2 and 7. 7 already here. Then 7 cannot come in this cell, it will come in this. 7 will come here, then 2 will be here. 2 already come in this cell, then 2 can't come in this cell, 2 will be here, then 8 will be here. We completed second grid. Also H column also we completed. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. In 10th row 2 numbers is neighboring, 2 and 9. We added 2 here, then 2 will come here and 9 will come here. Then 9th grid only 1 number remaining, number 3 will be here. We completed 9th grid also. Column I only 2 number remaining, 5 and 9. Already you have 9 will come here, then 5 will come here. You have already 2 9 can't come in this cell, it will come in this cell only. Then 7th grid only 2 number are remaining, 2 and 7. 5 and 4 can't come in this cell, it will come here only, 4 and 5. Then 4th row only 1 number is remaining, that number is 3, then number will come in this cell. Then J column only 2 number remaining, 7 and 8. We will confirm later. We have already 5 here, then 5 will come here, then 4 will come in this cell. Then 4 can't come in this cell, then 4 will come here, then 7 will be here. Already you have 7 here, then 7 can't come in this cell, then 7 will come here, then 2 will become here. Then same thing, 2 can't come in this cell, then 2 will come here, then 3 will come in this cell. Three we have already, 3 can't come here, then 3 will come here. Then only one number is remaining, that number is 7. 7 will be here. If you have 7, then 7 can't come in this cell, then 7 will come here, 8 will be here. Then we completed column J also. Then column D, only 2 number remaining, 2 and 8. We have already 2 here, so here, then 2 can't come here, then 2 will be come here, then 8 will be in this cell. We completed all the grid. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.